everyone, I'm Lim Choi Yi. Today is talking about innovative thinking for organization development. My student number is 2416967 and the course number is MAN6070. This is outline. I have introduction, research, rhythm issue, problem definition, persona, by ideation, prototype, tasting, stage and feedback, reference list. Today I will say talking about how might we reduce street in workplace or home in Hong Kong. I have researched the source of street in Hong Kong. Introduction: how may we reduce street in workplace or home in Hong Kong? Have these six things. During this year, the success number in Hong Kong is increasing. For the most recent research in 2023, and as low as the insane rate of a country reflect the level of street. There are three main streets with Hong Kong residents pose pandemic, mental health strain, economic pressure, and youth and elderly mental health setting. This is the research. Is the number of success and suicide rate in Hong Kong. Most people feel feeling stressed, and about half people have friends or family members security or tied to suicide. And I will present the five why. Why are Hong Kong youth status? Hong Kong education STEM emphasizing high stake exam DSE, creating a competitive environment. How does academic pressure exist? There are limited university spots in Hong Kong provide for the DSE students and they are only 20% of the local DSE students could get into university. Why do job proposals depend so much on exams? Hong Kong labour market mainly require the basic education level with undergraduate level and DSE is the main entry way for youth could get into the university. Why does the labour market prioritize academic? University is the main qualified organization in Hong Kong. The undergraduate student will admit by government and the organization in Hong Kong. There are only a few ways could be admitted by Hong Kong society. Why hasn't this dynamic changed? The parents of the student expectations for this situation, also their expectations make the strict on the youth. After I go through this 5 whys model, I looked at the main strict on Hong Kong youth come from the education system and parents' expectation of Hong Kong. Across the data I have read through, the suicide rate of Hong Kong increasing during these years due to the mental health for Hong Kong youth is ignored by the society. My research reveals that Hong Kong youth experience motivated pressure stemming from academic demands, family expectations, and society norms coming in surface mental health changes like depression. Compounding this issue, recent society shift and pandemic aftermath has exacerbated emotional distress among young individuals. Depends this growing needs pervasive mental health things and in difficult support because higher access to timely intervention. This study aims to uncover the emotional needs of youth full STEM full systemic analysis address gap in these exercise education reforms and community-based initiatives to exchange their psychological well-being and overall life satisfaction. Furthermore, integrating street with life feature into a mobile application could enable faster, more parents mental support of offering a scalable solution to maintain this present issue. And we have a problem the definition is the persona. Hong Kong 2023, the suicide number in 1080 and increased 32% from 2022. The rate of suicide rate is 14.5 per thousand people. The trend in research show the rate is increases. Reason of Hong Kong is treated and become more serious. Post-pandemic mental health strain, economic pressure, and youth and elderly mental health success. Focus of the youth mental health problem. Uh, Youth mental health. The problem is high academic pressure contribute to depression and society ideation. Digital and community support, social media and cyberbullying worsen anxiety. Family and police support, personal pressure exacerbates threat. Solution is implement mental health education in school and train teachers in early scan risk detection. Expect online counseling service and promote youth-friendly mental health apps. Through the youth mental health day, there are methods could be improved. This is ideation. no vanity. This is mobile app. Pick mobile app of the Potai. The name of the mobile application is WhatsApp. Communication transition. Normal communication application transition. And the Potai, this is the we can change the different people or AI to have a chat. Some of the users are AI pretending. We have AI chat function. Hmm. I have testing stage and feedback. The proposable performance dimension was provided to assess the app alignment with user need. The name of the mobile application is WhatsApp. 10 students to enlighten their perception of the proposed mental health app. The name of the mobile application is WhatsApp. Users suggested digital mental health solution tailored to the inquiries stricter faced by young individuals. And this is reference. This is my present. Thank you.